Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CAT S40 and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device, so how to add it and then how to remove it. So first of all we have to enter the settings, let's tap on it, and here we will have to scroll in order to find the accounts section. So let's scroll, as I said, and find the accounts. Let's tap on it and now simply tap on add account. Choose obviously Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, you can remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it. Okay, so this is our account. So let's tap on it. And since we are on our account, so we can check the calendar, Drive, Gmail, and so on, we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again. If you are sure, tap on OK. If you've got a pattern or PIN, then probably you will be asked to enter it to confirm. And as you can see, we just got back to the accounts list and we cannot see the Google account, so it means that we just successfully removed it. So actually this is it. This is how to manage Google account in your CAT S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.